Hello everyone, this is Helen from LETIAN Factory. Add a touch of warmth and joy to your indoor playground. The Indoor Playground Mini Train launched by LETIAN Amusement is specially designed for children, providing a safe and comfortable riding experience. Little Red Train. Little White Train. Mini train rides. Its exquisite cartoon shapes and soft color combinations instantly catch the attention of children. The train runs smoothly at a moderate speed, suitable for children of all ages. Whether it's a circular track or a customized route, it can flexibly meet your venue requirements. Contact us for more info.